Hi everyone, it's Tracy Dickinson from the James Cook Uni Field Ed unit again. Today we're going to look at how field educators and liaison people can access e-portfolios, student e-portfolios that don't have a JC number. That means they're not a staff member of James Cook University. So students will share links to their work, to their liaison and field educator, and you will receive emails saying that the student has shared. And these are the first two emails that you will receive. You'll get, the first one will be a new account has been created for you, and the second one that will come at the same time is that the student has shared an asset with you. And an asset is just another name for a document in e-portfolio language. I really suggest that in your emails that you create a folder that you can save your students' work to, so you've got access to those passwords and account names in a really simple, quick fashion. So the first email explains to you that you're now an external user on PebblePad and that you can access your students' work. To do so, you can log in using this link, and this is your username here and password. And so what I would suggest is you would then save that across to your students folder. In the second email, it'll show that, in this case, Tracy has shared some journals with you. So you can click on the link and it will take you straight to that work. Clicking on the journals, each link shows the journal. And this is not a full journal, of course. This is just me doing a test one for you. Go back, you can then see the next journal. Now, to make comments on journals or on the whole lot, so these are the journals for week 2. You click on the comment bubbles and you add comment, and you can type in here everything. So you could type in Tracy, really appreciate the work you have submitted. Sounds like you are linking theory to practice. So that could be a really general statement, but then you could also make comments on each of the journals. So this one might be this one's talking about staff meetings. So you might want to suggest some different readings. So you suggest you read Jones and May on internal organisational structures. Might be around good insight into managerial styles. I don't know. Whatever comments you would like to make around that journal, and you just save that as well. These documents are live documents, so as soon as you save that document, save that comment, the student will have access to that comment, as these documents sit up in a space that you are accessing. So you don't then have to send these journals back. That's automatically, the students will automatically have access to that.
And Tracy, when the students see your comments, can they tell which comments are general, and if they are specific comments, can they tell exactly which sentence of the journal they relate to, which part of the journal?
No. So they are a little bit different to what a Word document would do, where you could use the track changes and highlight that area. So you may want to put that in here. So in you might in reference to paragraph 2, there's your comment. Yeah, that's a really good point. So that is one of the major differences to that as an external user. You won't be able to go into the document. And once again, you save that. You don't necessarily have to put your name at the end of the comment, because that will become apparent when the student is viewing that. It will say it says up here, vodcast external user made this comment. Okay. The other thing that you may want to look at is, when does your username and password come in handy? If you click on this link, it will ask you to log in. So there's two different ways you can come in. So you have a guest account, and this is your login number, which is, you can just copy and paste that across. And log in. Let's open in a new window. And there you will find the journals sitting there. So you have two options. Obviously the first option is just to click on that direct link. Makes it easy, it takes you directly to those, the asset that the student has saved with you. But for whatever reason, if that link doesn't work, you can come in through logging into PebblePad itself. As simple as that. So once you have made your comments on the journals, or you have viewed the learning plan, or you've made comments on the evaluations for mid-placement or final evaluation, there's not necessarily you have to email the student to say that you've done that, because the student will be able to see that straight away on their live documents. But I think for your own peace of mind and for the student's peace of mind, you could give them a quick email saying, reviewed your journals, comments have been added, and then that's done. As simple as that. So if you have any questions, give us a call at the Field Ed team, and or there's also available to you a step-by-step process available on Learn JCU. So thank you.